Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restricted account on the application of Clubhouse. We click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Clubhouse and you can click. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. You will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for